Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to find hidden chats online app. First of all, launch open Line application. You can see over here Line application has been opened. So if you have hidden the chats and if you want to find it, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top right corner of your screen in the home tab. After you do that, you'll be led to the settings interface. You'll be able to find various options over here. Scroll down under the section for general. At third, you'll be able to find this option for chats. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be able to access the settings related with chats over here. So simply scroll down. Over here at last, you'll be able to find this section for manage chats. Right over here, you can see the option for hidden chats. So what you have to do is tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see all of your hidden chats over here. So like this, you'll be able to find the hidden chats. So that is how you find hidden chats online app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.